welcome to my channel. My name is Erin. As always, don't forget to like, comment and share this video. So the topic that we're looking at today, well, it's kind of a social media health check for job seekers. Now, an estimated 92% of employers have used social networking profiles as part of their screening process, which is probably a sobering thought for those of you who don't think before you tweet. But fear not, no judgment. This video is designed to help you run a health check on your social media footprint before you start using social media as part of your strategy for job hunting. So tip number one is to Google yourself. No, you're not being narcissistic, you are getting ahead of the curve. And anyways, we use like Google to search for pretty much anything and everything. So it stands to reason that a hiring manager is going to use it to research you. Now, don't be bashful. Take a deep breath. Dive in there and search thoroughly. Your name alongside the name of your current employer, your name alongside the name of past employers, your name alongside the names of the key celebrities that you follow, even your name alongside the name of your friends too. You want to get it all in there, because ultimately what those search results reveal to you is what they're going to reveal to a hiring manager. And then just delete the stuff that you don't want anyone to see and tag yourself from the pictures that are less professional, but Google yourself. Number two is to keep it private. Now, we don't have to look too far to have heard of high-profile individuals, celebrities and regular folk who've lost their job and their careers over stuff that they posted, not necessarily yesterday, but it could be like years ago. So button down the hatches on your privacy settings. But that's not enough, because when you might tag or be tagged into a post or comment that by an individual whose profile is not private, which means that your comment is there for the world to see. And don't think a pseudonym is going to save you either, i.e. a fake name, because when you're in your fakeness, you become a little bit too relaxed and might say something or tweet something that actually you later regret, and that could actually link to your real identity. So keep it private and don't post what you don't want the world to see now or ever. Number three thing you want to do is to keep it professional. Now, your social media platforms, they essentially reflect your brand. So you want to make sure you start to put up professional pictures. That doesn't mean, actually, before I move on, doesn't mean that they can't be fun, but they've just got to be professional. Do you get what I mean? And the second thing is that you want to obviously make sure that you review the images that you're tagged into. So you can have that on Facebook. Before anyone posts anything on your timeline, you get an opportunity to review it before it goes online. And also keep your personal and your professional updates on separate social media accounts, because if you're actively seeking for work, then it could well be that your social media pages are right now getting some traffic. So let's take it from the top. One, Google yourself. Number two, keep it private. And number three, be professional. Now, I hope you like this video. I think I might do one that looks more in detail on how to use social media to connect to your job of purpose. If that's something that you think you would want, then let me know. But in the meantime, click on the link below for details of Jobs at Diva, and have a great week. I look forward to seeing you again soon. Take care. Bye bye.